So Viva and Blackie just stay together here. But Viva, as you know that she have pregnant, right? Yeah. I don't know where should born the baby. Look at her face. She just staring at me and shake her tail. Ting 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 ting. Yes. And if you look to Blackie, I don't know what happened to him. Just kind of his eye full of like sorrow, full of fear. Yes. Okay. And he is another son of Bali. You can see it out here. Yeah. Okay. So this time, because there's no music here around here. Yeah, that's why I can speak. You can hear my sound. You can see the son of Bali. There are two of them here. Yeah. One here and another one here. Yeah. Yes. Okay, you can see that. Yeah. And so here together, you can see Viva a bit, a bit tired. I can say that because she have pregnant. Yes. Yes, a bit hard for her to carry the baby. A lot of baby at this time also, right? Maybe about 9 puppy, I think. Viva. He sleep like his daddy, He sleep like Bali, where he sleep. And now his Bali's coming. Now he's coming. Yeah. Just looking for the place to lay down also. Yeah. I can say that he's a bit tired already, because as you know that, And here, like full of fear. His face. You can see that. You can check his face, full of fear. Look at his sons. Yes, yes, yes. Like this. Sorry, coughing.